back to my channel. Today I am going to recommend you some Netflix shows. I have done this video also before. I have recommended 5 shows in that. I will link that video in the description so you can just go and watch that video. So I'm going to recommend 10 shows and all these shows are very close to my heart. I love all these movies and shows. There are a mix of shows and movies and starting off, make sure that you subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and I will also link my Instagram in my description so you can follow me there. I do a lot of polls to watch. As you know, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and sometimes a bonus video on Sunday, so that depends on if I have content or not. Movie is The Secret Love. So it's based on these 2 women who are in love, and this story is like a real life story, and it was during that World War time, and that time these 2 women had no they didn't have that time it was not accepted, like homosexuality was not a thing, and to stay together, to like marry and all that, obviously that was not a thing, and they have to live with that grief in their heart, and how all these years they let that thing be in their heart, and still they were together, and after I think something 65 or 70 they get married, and it's based on their true story and how they documented all of those things. But it's a very good story to really inspire yourself and really get out of that box where you are just minded your head with. But it's like a really cool and great story to definitely give it a watch. The second one is 18 Presents. I love this show. 18 Presents is amazing story. It's very emotional. I'm just like telling you in the start only. So it's not that pampered or like very over the top kind of story. It's like very shallow and very deep set and really full of thoughts and energy that you have to put into the story to watch it. It's a movie. So here the women, there is like a mom who has cancer, and how before giving birth to her child she knows about her cancer, and then after delivering her baby she have to set some kind of things out there for her baby, so that she will not miss her at the end of the day. And how this woman, she keeps 18 presents for her till her birthday, and her father is giving her daughter those gifts, so that she'll be kind of happy that even though her mother is not there in this world, her gifts are there with her. So here this daughter is realizing a lot of things about her mother, even though where she is not there, through her gifts. So that is how this movie is set on. That's the reason it is called 18 Presents. So it's very, oh my god, you will cry in the first half of this movie, how emotional it is. Third one is again one of my favorite. Oh my god, I have to say this, just have a shot when I say this favorite, okay? It's All Together Now, and this story is absolutely amazing and delightful. Here she is a very optimistic person. She has a lot of singing, she's a very, very unique person. She has a lot of talents, you know what I mean? She has a lot of things, she's very good in her scores, in her school grades. She's also good in different activities, but at the same time her mom is not able to really fulfill a lot of things, because you need money for that base, you need education, you need some kind of base so that you can step up that game. But because there is no money, lack of money, how they're living in a bus, because they don't have house to stay because of some grudges with their father, and that's the reason they are living in a bus. And how they how this women, how this female, how she tragically also her mother dies in that during this whole moment phase, and how then she comes out of that that whole phase, and how she takes that as a challenge, and looks up to her life as just doing something and just getting up there. It's great. It's really, really. Okay, the fourth one is All the Bright Places. Again, here there are these stories of teens. She has just lost her sibling, and how she how she's having that grief in her heart and still actually proceeding through her life, and she's going through her college, and how she's getting over all that. There is a guy who helps her out to get out of it and show all the bright places in the world, and tell her it doesn't matter. That's what in this movie, that's what it showed. Nearby her place there are so many places that she never thought of going, but this guy helps her to really reach towards those places and tell her that doesn't matter how much you look up to these places in a bad way, but still they are beautiful in some manner. Even if you go through the dirty place in the world, they are going to have some kind of story behind. They are going to have some kind of some kind of glimpses there. Movie that will really shook you to your core, and yeah, it's very, very nice. It's very, 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 I think during this time for sure you should guys give this movie a watch. It's very, very amazing watch to give. One is I Feel Pretty. So it's a very, now this movies are kind of cool, and it's very relaxing. So your actress Amy is facing through this body shaming phase in her life, where she is actually working and still she has this phase where she has to accept the way she is, but she doesn't, because all her friends or most of the colleagues that she's working with are kind of they are like fit, and they wear whatever they want to, and they eat they don't eat things, and this one is just eating, and just she doesn't feel that great because of whatever reasons, like because of her body or whatever. But then she has this kind of different aspect that turns her life together through like some kind of dream or some kind of effect in her life. Everything just turns out the way she is. She just accepts her. She just rocks like those fat ass body with like amazing shots and amazing dresses, and she just the way she presents herself to like big companies, and then even like she gets hired in that company. That's how this movie is based. Like it's like the confidence that speaks through anyone's mind. And so it's a very inspiring movie as well, but it's like in a very dramatic way, and also like the way it's like actual Hollywood style based, and it's very like it has some kind of romantic glimpses here and there also. But you will definitely enjoy if you go through some kind of phases in your life where you feel you're fat or you're kind of really not accepted in the society. Just watch this movie, you'll feel pretty. Sixth one is #reality hype. So it's based on this, obviously all the teenage still about to graduate. So it's like this girl who is going through a lot in her life because of, like, she has an amazing family. She's given whatever she wants. She's working in a pet shop where she loves pets. But at the same time, there is like all these girls in her school, in her college that not college school. I'm sorry. So in her school where they dress they dress like absolutely like amazing, like as a like social media superstar or influencer or whatever. And she is like very like chashmesh, wearing like very like boyfriend jeans and like leather jackets and all. And she's kind of tomboyish. But still she has this crush on a guy where that guy is dating like the famous girl in the college, and she's like, that guy is never gonna look at me. But there is a different change in her life where she looks so beautiful. She just transforms herself, and how this guy is like falls in love with her, and then she kind of is like, that is how it is. Like when you transform yourself, how anyone can really fall in love with you or just come to you. So it's like just changing your avatar, just changing your overall appearance, how people are kind of differentiating you with who you are. So it's kind of like reality kind of check movie. It's like absolutely based on that only, reality hype, but you're gonna relate a lot with it. It is called Dude. So it's based on these 4 girls who are like best friends, and they are facing through a lot of major life issues and a lot of like close ones' death, and how they're dealing through those things, and also about like they're about to graduate at the same time, and how they're dealing through all those life changes in their life, and also learning a lot about themselves and how to overcome that grief which is really left in their heart with losing really close ones. So these 4 girls are like very close. So like 4 girl ka friendship is really shown, and I kind of remember all my girlfriends here. So I would highly recommend this movie for you. 8th one is again kind of really inspiring movie, to be honest. It's called Tall Girl. Here this girl is like, obviously it says tall girl, so she's like 6'1", and as because of her height she doesn't get any kind of relationships, and like no guy is like ready to be her date or even doesn't like her. So they're like, if they're sitting and they're talking, and when suddenly she just stands up, the guy is like, oh my god, like with whom did I talk? So it's based on that like actual fact that happens in a society, that like there will be someone in the world who is gonna love you for what you are and how you are. And in this movie as well, there is a guy who loves her from the start, and he is putting all the efforts here, but she is not kind of figuring out, because she is looking for someone else, okay? And the guy here who loves her is kind of really short than her. So she's like, obviously he will not like me. He's like kind of my best friend. Okay, so the 9th one is called Chopstick. It's a Hindi movie, a Hindi Netflix show, Hindi original Netflix show. Oh my god. So Mithila Palkar here is very like, this cringy and very sensitive woman where she can't like, talk a lot, and she's not that extrovert. She's very introvert, but she's very talented. She's very smart. She's very, she's very workaholic. She's very good in like her grades and stuff, but because of her that introvert nature, she can't speak that much and all that, and because of that really she's always facing a lot of problems in her life. So here she just buys a new car, and she just gets like that car just gets stolen because of like a simple reason that you have to watch in the movie. I kind of lets her know about life and how you should be, and how you can't be this bhula person with this absolutely extraordinary world. You just is Bulbul. So again, this movie kind of made me like I kind of literally went digging this movie because having Bengali roots, I had to watch Bulbul. So obviously it's based on this Bengali culture and. The whole tradition and everything just really vibes me out there. But the movie, the writing and the direction is absolutely amazing. A lot of people have talked a lot, good, like everything good about Bulbul. It's like actually, it's not horror, but it's kind of horror drama, I guess. I don't know exactly how to name the movies, but it's how people are kind of, people have the stories based that there is like a chudel and atma in this jungle, at the night she kills and she eats only male people. So that is how the story. You kind of think after my description that what a bullshit, but this movie is absolutely a delight to watch. As on the screen, it's a very like the cinematography, what it is called, the word, yeah, I can fuck with this word here, but the overall whole projection of the movie is absolutely delight to watch. And watch this movie during night, that is going to give you that whole movie effect. I watched it during afternoon, but still I got chills. I can't watch that much of horror because I'm a very scary person myself. I really get scared a lot, so I don't watch horror movies in the night. But I wanted to watch this, having the roots of Bengali, I had to watch this. But it's absolutely delight, guys, to watch. Movie shows that I hope that you will like it and you will definitely give it a watch. You can see whichever movie you want to watch. I have kind of made myself as much as clear what kind of description to give so that you can be clear with yourself. Anyways, if you like my video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe. Like, do support me, and you can follow me on my Instagram. As I said, I do a lot of posts. You can connect with me there, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.